Hello guys, my name is Rogelio, ang yung tropang vlogger. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 simple steps for you to nail down English Bunny Hop. If you like this kind of content, please hit the subscribe and bell notification for you not to miss my future video.
This is the second video on our Bunny Hop or jumping video series. If you haven't watched yet the previous video, click here in the info button or find the link in the video description.
Because our next video would be the basic of American Bunny Hop.
Before we start, make sure to wear your safety gears like helmet, shoes, and if you have gloves and knee pads, that would be great. Then find a suitable place to practice with less scars or distraction. Finally, set up your bike with a low saddle and flat pedals.
Okay, let's begin!
Attack position is like standing position, but your arms and legs are slightly bent with both pedals are leveled. Straight your back while looking forward. Heel down, and as always, elbow out to have maximum power. I have created detailed video about this, check the links in the info button or in the video description. Pumping is the act of compressing both of your front and rear suspension. Pumping is like dribbling a ball. The harder you hit the ball, the faster it is to hit the ground and bounce back. Now, let's apply it on our bike. Starting from the attack position, compress your bike using your whole body weight by bending your arms and legs until you hit the bottom. Make sure to put equal pressure on your hands and feet. Also, while pumping, your hips still align with your bike's bottom bracket. Maintain the level of your pedals to avoid pedal strike. If you make this right, you will already feel the bike bouncing you back. Explode upward by pointing your toes down and straight your arms and legs. Now, let's combine those three in one single motion. Attack position, pump your bike aggressively, then explode upward immediately. Don't pause after you pump, as this will stop the momentum. If you get the timing right, you'll be jumping and jumping and jumping and jumping. There you have it. Don't forget to share your video progression to Rogelio MTB Rider Community Facebook group. If you're not yet a member, check the links on the video description and you will see my other social media accounts.